Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today we are now in February 2020. Today is the 17th of February, right? And normally, well, early on in the year, like in January, people will just normally like set their intentions, resolutions for the new year and stuff. In the manifesting world, we like to do vision boards and stuff. But I want to do something different this year. I did a vision board last year, and I want to do something different this year. I did it a few years back, but I want to do it again. It's called like what we call different names: magical box, creation box, manifestation box, or intention box. It has different names, right? But the main goal is the same thing, right? Whatever you want to manifest, you put images of what you want to manifest in this little box, right? So that's what I want to talk about today, this manifestation intention box, right? So it's simple. You have a box, any box that you could find. That's cute box, nothing too big, doesn't have to be that big, a simple box, and you just put images inside of the box, and that's it, right? So today my box, I have, well, initially to do this video I bought a container, a plastic container, but then I said, you know what, I think I really need to get a box, a proper box, not a plastic container. So I discarded that. I changed that first idea that I had. So I have this box. I have a Pandora collection, right? So this is basically a Pandora box. It's a Pandora jewelry collection, and this box basically was like a cleaning kit, right? Had like a toothbrush and a keychain and something else, right? So I said this is a perfect box that I could use for this project, right? And whatever I had in this container, I put it in the container that I bought previously. So this is my box I'm using today. So the simple box, and inside it has like a piece of velvet to the bottom. Let me just show you. This is what it looks like. And it's quite pretty, and it's an empty box. So it's a velvet thing at the bottom there. Simple. There's no lid, there's no chain or whatever. It's just a simple open closed box. Hope you can see that clearly. Here is the top, and simple box, right? Like I said before, you could use any kind of box. You could use any kind of box that you have on hand, right? A shoe box, any kind of box, whatever you find in your house, right? That you can use for this project, right? So what you could do, people normally like, you know, like for a vision board, you go through magazines and stuff, and people normally tell you that go through magazines and stuff and get pictures of what you want to manifest and use those pictures, right, to stick on your vision board. But for me, things are so easy now these days and cheap. You don't really have to buy magazines. You go online, do a Google search, and get images of what it is you want to manifest. So that's what I did for my project. I went online and just googled different things that I want to manifest and printed them out, and I cut them out. That's simple. You could use pictures, you could use like you could actually, these are tangible things that I want to manifest. If you want to manifest intangible things, you can write a little note on a piece of paper and also put it in your box, right? So you could do tangible as well as intangible things that you want to manifest, right? It's really, really cool, and I think it's fun, you know. And with the vision board, you know, you're limited to space on your board. With the box, you know, you can put as much pictures and notes that you want to inside the box, and as the year goes on, you could add more stuff to the box, right? So I want to share with you a few things that I have in my box, right? First thing I want to share is, let me show you, let me get the picture quickly. Now this one here, it's a picture of local guides with Google Maps, right? I am a local guide with Google Maps right now, and every year they have like what you call like a connects, where all the local guys come together and they meet and have a lovely get together and stuff, right? Of course, selected people, they have to go through a process, and if you follow these steps, follow the requirements, and if you qualify, you'll be selected. And I think they pay for your trip 100%, right? So it is my intention to go on that trip this year. I wanted to go last year, but I didn't really do what I was supposed to do, and I just didn't bother with it. But I said this year I want to go on that trip. So that's one thing I want to share with you. I want to go to Google Maps conference this year. And the second thing I want to share with you, my husband and I, we have been going through a little thing with family and stuff. My mother has been well for a few years, and we had the first tragic event that we had was Hurricane Irma in 2017, and then I went to Trinidad. I was in Trinidad for about 4 months, and then my daughter got pregnant. I had to go back to Trinidad, and then last year I had to go back. I had to go to Trinidad in early part of the year, and then the latter part of the year I went back, and my mom died early this year. So we have been going through a few things, you know, in that area. So, you know, I felt that my husband and I needed like a good break, you know, just to enjoy life, be happy, laugh, and that sort of thing. So my intention is to first go on a trip to St. Kitts. So I got this image, and it has 2019 at the bottom here, so I just scratched that off and I put 2020 to the top here. So this is one of my intentions that I want to manifest in this year. So this is my little picture that I found, and I'm going to use this, and I have it in my box here. Yeah, so this is really cool project, you know. Whatever you want to manifest, like I said, tangible or intangible, just get pictures or write a note and put it in this box and just forget about it. Let it go and let the universe do its thing. So I think I'm out, my battery needs charging, so I'll have to make this video short. And yeah, so that's it. And this is what I'm doing this year. Instead of a vision board, I am doing, oh, I forgot to mention one important thing, is that I have inside the box, most people tell you to put it on the outside of the box. This note here, what is in this box is, so I wrote it, since the cover has these little piece of ribbon there, I just stick the piece of paper in there. But most people say you can put it on the outside of the box. You know, it's your choice, whatever you want to do. So the words are, what is in this box is. So you write it on that piece of paper and stick it inside the box, on the cover, lid, or on the outside. And yeah, so you just put your pictures in the box, leave it alone, forget about it, and release it to the universe, and let the universe do its thing and bring these beautiful things into your life. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I'm uploading a video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Happy manifesting in 2020 and beyond. Bye.